Hello and welcome to GSTV. I'm Gardening Angel Sean. Now today we'll be doing the final harvest of our Quadgrow with King of the North peppers in. The Quadgrow we are featuring today is our 4-plant Quadgrow with an optional water butt link kit, mulch cap and cane support kit and a 100 litre water butt. Daylight is getting shorter and the light quality is diminishing, so these King of the North peppers have stopped setting fruit. It's now time for the final harvest of the season. These sweet peppers have a great taste whether picked green or red. Heavy yielding, medium sized plant. King of the North peppers have a crisp, thick flesh. It yields crisp bells, green ripening through to red, right up until frost. The Quadgrow automatically waters plants, keeping soil at the perfect moisture level, never too dry or waterlogged. Perfect moisture means roots have better access to oxygen, which fuels faster growth and bigger harvests. There's no risk of erratic watering, which means much less chance of root rot, split fruit and blossom end rot. Ideal for growing in greenhouses, polytunnels and on patios. It's perfect for growing tomatoes, aubergines, sweet peppers, beans, cucumbers, courgettes, peas and all tall cropping plants. Quadgrow, the eco-friendly planter made from recycled plastic. Okay, and that was the final harvest of our King of the North peppers grown in our Quadgrow planter. Next stage we'll be cleaning our Quadgrow and putting it away ready for the next season. Remove your water butt connector from the water butt tap. Remove the canes and mulch caps. Remove the 2 access covers, then take the pots off of the Quadgrow. Lift the feeder tray off of the smart reservoir. Loosen the float valve, then remove it from the smart reservoir. Tip the water out of the smart reservoirs. Use a spanner to loosen the root filters on the tank connector on the inside of each smart reservoir. Take the tank connector, 4 washers and 2 root filters off of the reservoir. Reconnect them so as not to lose them. Remove feeder mat from soil. Once you have removed the feeder mat from the pot, if you clean and remove all of the roots, it can be recycled, ready for your next grow season. We'll be taking all of the leaves and the cuttings, stems and putting it in our composter to recycle. Okay, that was today's update. If you'd like to know anything more about the products featured in today's video, head over to greenhousesensation.co.uk. See you later.